The sales game. Are you ready to win? Let's face it, sales can be tough, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's about connecting with people, understanding their needs, and offering solutions that make a real difference. Are you ready to master this game? Are you ready to unlock your full potential and achieve the success you deserve? Let's dive in. This guide is your roadmap to sales mastery. We'll explore proven techniques, strategies, and mindsets that will transform you into a sales powerhouse. From daily activities to handling rejection, we'll cover it all. Get ready to step up your game and crush your goals. This isn't just about theory, this is about taking action, pushing your boundaries and achieving real results. The world of sales is waiting. Are you ready to conquer it? Your daily action plan. Building momentum for success. Success in sales isn't about luck. It's about consistency. It's about showing up every day and putting in the work. That's why having a solid daily action plan is crucial. Start with prospecting. This is about identifying potential customers. Think of it as planting seeds for future growth. Network, attend industry events, and leverage social media to expand your reach. Next up, planning. Before you reach out to a prospect, do your homework. Research their business, understand their pain points, and tailor your approach accordingly. Preparation is key to making a great first impression. Don't forget about follow-ups. Following up with potential clients is essential. It shows that you're genuinely interested and committed to helping them. Be persistent but also respectful of their time. Finally, make client research a daily habit. The more you understand your clients, the better equipped you'll be to meet their needs. Stay updated on industry trends, competitor offerings, and any changes in your clients' businesses. Marketing magic turning leads into gold. In the world of sales and marketing, leads are like raw materials. They hold potential, but it's up to you to transform them into something valuable. Just like alchemists of old, your goal is to turn these leads into gold. Your marketing team is your ally in the sales game. They generate leads, warm up prospects, and pave the way for you to close deals. Think of them as the architects of your sales pipeline, laying the foundation for your success. They use various tools and strategies to attract potential customers, from social media campaigns to email marketing and beyond. But how do you effectively utilize these leads? First, qualify them. This means assessing whether a lead is worth pursuing. It's like sifting through a pile of rocks to find the nuggets of gold. You need to determine which leads have the highest potential to convert into paying customers. Not all leads are created equal. Determine if the lead is a good fit for your product or service. This involves understanding their needs, challenges, and whether your offering can provide a solution. It's about finding the right match, like fitting pieces of a puzzle together. Are they facing the problems your offering solves? Identifying their pain points is crucial. This helps you tailor your approach and demonstrate how your product or service can alleviate their specific issues. It's about showing empathy and understanding their situation. Do they have the budget and authority to make a purchase? Understanding their financial capacity and decision-making power is essential. This ensures you're not wasting time on leads that can't afford your solution or don't have the authority to make a purchase decision. Once you've identified qualified leads, personalize your approach. Tailor your communication to address their specific needs and challenges. This shows that you've done your homework and are genuinely interested in helping them. Personalization can make a significant difference in how your message is received. Nobody likes to feel like just another number. Show them you've done your research and understand their specific needs and challenges. This builds trust and rapport, making them more likely to engage with you. It's about creating a connection and showing that you value them as individuals. Timely follow-up is crucial. Don't let leads grow cold. Reach out promptly after they've shown interest. This keeps the momentum going and shows that you're responsive and attentive. It's about striking while the iron is hot and keeping the conversation alive. Reach out promptly after they've shown interest, answer their questions, and provide valuable information. This helps build trust and keeps them engaged. It's about being proactive and showing that you're there to support them every step of the way. Remember, not all leads are ready to buy right away. Nurture those relationships, stay in touch, offer valuable content, and build trust over time. This keeps you top of mind and positions you as a trusted advisor. It's about playing the long game and being patient. Share insights, industry news, and helpful resources. This keeps them engaged and shows that you're invested in their success. It's about providing value and staying relevant. They may not be ready now, but they could become valuable customers down the line. Keep nurturing those relationships, and when the time is right, they'll think of you. It's about planting seeds today for a fruitful harvest tomorrow. Remember, turning leads into gold is a journey, not a destination. No marketing data, no problem. Unleashing your inner entrepreneur. Don't have a marketing team feeding you leads? No worries. Many successful entrepreneurs started with nothing but a dream and a phone. You can still generate your own leads and build a thriving business. It all starts with a proactive mindset and a willingness to put in the work. Embrace the power of cold calling. This traditional method may seem outdated, but it remains one of the most direct ways to reach potential customers. Yes, it can be intimidating, but it's a direct and effective way to connect with potential customers. With each call, you refine your pitch, learn more about your market, and build resilience. Master the art of the cold call, and you'll unlock a world of opportunities. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged by initial rejections. Each no brings you closer to a yes. Networking is your secret weapon. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The connections you make can lead to invaluable opportunities. Connect with people in your target market, build relationships, share your expertise, and offer value without expecting immediate returns. Over time, these relationships will become a cornerstone of your business, and watch the leads pour in. The more you engage with your community, the more your reputation grows, leading to organic referrals and opportunities. Social media is your friend. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with potential customers. These platforms are not just for socializing, they are powerful tools for business growth. Share valuable content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, providing useful information establishes you as a thought leader in your industry. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, participating in discussions, and consistently providing value. Don't underestimate the power of referrals. A satisfied customer is your best advocate. Their positive experiences can lead to new business opportunities. Reach out to your existing network, satisfied customers, and industry contacts. Let them know you're looking for new clients and ask for referrals. And ask if they know anyone who could benefit from your product or service. Personal recommendations carry a lot of weight and can open doors that cold calls can't. Building a business without a marketing team is challenging but not impossible. With determination, creativity, and a willingness to connect with others, you can unleash your inner entrepreneur and achieve remarkable success. The power of helping selling is about serving, not pushing. In today's competitive market, the approach to sales has evolved significantly. It's no longer about the hard sell or the aggressive pitch. Instead, it's about understanding and addressing the needs of your clients. Here's the secret to sales mastery. It's not about selling, it's about helping. When you shift your mindset from pushing a product to genuinely assisting your clients, you create a more positive and productive interaction. This approach not only builds trust, but also fosters long-term relationships. People can spot a pushy salesperson a mile away. They can sense when someone is more interested in making a sale than in solving their problems. This often leads to resistance and a lack of engagement. No one likes to feel pressured or manipulated. Instead, focus on building genuine relationships and providing value. When you prioritize the client's needs and show that you are there to help, you create a foundation of trust. This trust is crucial for any successful sales interaction. Become a master at understanding your client's needs. Ask the right questions, listen actively, and show genuine interest in their concerns. This not only helps you gather valuable information but also demonstrates that you care about their success and empathize with their challenges. Empathy is a powerful tool in sales. When clients feel understood, they are more likely to open up and share their true needs and concerns. This deeper understanding allows you to tailor your solutions more effectively. The better you understand their pain points, the more effectively you can address them. This understanding is the key to positioning your product or service as the ideal solution. It's not just about what you offer, but how it can specifically benefit the client. The better you can position your product or service as a solution, problem solving is your superpower. When you can clearly show how your offering solves a client's problem, you move from being a salesperson to being a trusted advisor. Once you understand your client's needs, you can offer solutions that are tailored to their specific challenges. This personalized approach makes your clients feel valued and understood, which is essential for building strong relationships. Offer solutions that address their specific challenges. Don't just sell features, sell benefits. Features tell, but benefits sell. Clients want to know how your product or service will make their lives better, easier, or more profitable. Use real-life examples and success stories to illustrate the benefits. This makes your message more relatable and convincing. Highlight the tangible results that your clients can expect. Whether it's saving time, reducing costs, or increasing revenue, make sure to communicate the specific advantages. Building strong relationships is essential. It's not just about the initial sale, but about creating a lasting connection. When clients feel valued and appreciated, they are more likely to return and refer others to you. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. This age-old adage holds true in every sales interaction. Your goal should be to become a trusted partner in your client's success. Building this trust takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. When clients trust you, they are more likely to be loyal and to recommend you to others. Be authentic, be genuine, and build rapport with your clients. Authenticity is key in building trust. Clients can tell when you are being sincere and when you are not. Always strive to be honest and transparent in your interactions, and build rapport with your clients. Become a trusted advisor and they'll keep coming back for more. Your role is not just to sell, but to guide and support your clients in achieving their goals, and they'll keep coming back for more. Repeat business is the lifeblood of any successful sales career. When clients return to you, it is a testament to the trust and value you have provided. Don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Stories are a powerful way to connect with clients on an emotional level. They make your message more memorable and engaging. Connect with your clients on an emotional level by sharing stories that resonate with their experiences. Whether it's a success story from a previous client or a personal anecdote, stories help to humanize your message. By sharing stories that resonate with their experiences. Stories make your message memorable and help build trust and rapport. They provide a context that facts and figures alone cannot. Use stories to illustrate the benefits of your product or service in a way that is relatable and compelling. In conclusion, remember that selling is about serving. It's about understanding your client's needs, providing value, and building lasting relationships. When you focus on helping rather than pushing, you create a win-win situation for both you and your clients. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to see more content about sales. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you.